Um, how's it going? You guys have to bear with me. I'm really sick. I've been sick for like a week, so just have to deal with it. But this is Email Expectations and Cars Generations. My name is Nur Gatkuth. So the first person I interviewed was my mother. She's a nurse. She works at a hospital in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. She was born in 1984, which makes her Generation X, which is 2 years before the next generation started. She has been working there for more than a decade. When writing emails, it's usually to a higher up, like a doctor or a patient. Her email dues is have a clear subject line to the recipient of the email, so that the recipient of the email knows what it's about. Use professional tone when writing an email. Be very clear and specific when writing your email. Know your audience, which is essential. Which essentially means know who you're emailing always, and always sign your signature. Her email don't take too long to respond. Emails should generally be answered within 48 hours. Don't be too emotional in your emails, and don't use all caps, which I don't know why she said that, but yeah. Her email nevers was never use prerogative language in your emails, which makes sense. The second person I emailed is my friend Anite. She's a cashier at McDonald's. She was born in 2002, which makes her part of Gen Z. She has been working there since she was 18, so about 2 years now. When she writes emails, it's usually to her manager. Her email dues was always proofread your emails. Try to make them clear and short. Don't add too much information to your emails. Use formal language in your emails and have a good subject line. Her email don't send another email if you haven't received a response within 24 hours. Don't use emojis. Don't be negative. And watch your tone, and don't forget to ask for a reply. Her email never argue through email, and never send an email expressing your feelings. So the difference is, my mother wanted her emails to be long and clear, which makes total sense because she works in a hospital and she sends emails to doctors and patients, so there's more information in those emails. She needs to be more clear and really explain what she wants through the emails. My friend wanted her emails to be short and clear, which also makes sense because she works in a fast food restaurant, and most times she's emailing her manager, so it's usually about like her workspace or something that happened going on in her shifts, so it's usually more short and just to the point. My mother used professional tone when writing her emails, which makes sense again because she's sending emails to doctors and patients. Or my friend used a more formal tone. Which also makes sense again because she's sending her emails to her manager and sometimes her coworkers, but rarely because you can just text them or FaceTime them or something. But yeah, thank you for watching or listening to my video. Bye.